Fasten your seatbelts. Get ready for takeoff. We are about to embark on an unforgettable adventure, soaring above the magical landscapes of Europe. Our journey will take us over snow-capped peaks and sparkling coastlines. We will glide over ancient cities and emerald green valleys. The sky is calling, and adventure awaits. From the moment we leave the ground, a sense of freedom washes over us. The world shrinks below, and everyday worries fade away. The air crackles with anticipation. Every sight is a new discovery, a unique perspective on a continent steeped in history and beauty. Our aircraft becomes a magic carpet, transporting us through the sky. We are explorers, charting a course through a sea of clouds. The world unfolds beneath us, a breathtaking panorama of nature's artistry and human ingenuity. This is more than just a flight, it's a journey of discovery. It's a chance to see Europe from a whole new angle, to appreciate its vastness and diversity in a way that few ever get to experience. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. As we ascend higher, a new perspective unfolds. Europe's hidden treasures, often missed at ground level, reveal themselves. Castles perched on craggy cliffs emerge from the mist, their ancient walls whispering tales of bygone eras. Winding rivers snake through verdant valleys, reflecting the azure sky like shimmering ribbons. We discover secret beaches, tucked away along rugged coastlines, their pristine sands lapped by turquoise waters. Remote villages, nestled in the foothills of majestic mountains, come into view, their terracotta roofs like scattered jewels. These hidden gems, often inaccessible by road, are a testament to the continent's untouched beauty and the allure of aerial exploration. The world below transforms into a living tapestry, woven with intricate details. Forests stretch out like vast green oceans, their canopies teeming with life. Farmlands form a patchwork quilt of vibrant hues, a testament to the rhythms of nature and the seasons. From this vantage point, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of life and the delicate balance of our planet. Each aerial discovery fuels our sense of wonder and ignites our imagination. We become modern-day explorers, charting the unseen and uncovering the secrets whispered on the wind. The world above is a treasure trove of hidden wonders, waiting to be discovered by those who dare to look up. Our journey takes us over some of Europe's most iconic landmarks, offering a fresh perspective on these familiar sights. The Eiffel Tower, a majestic iron lattice reaching for the heavens, becomes a delicate silhouette against the Parisian skyline. We circle above, marveling at its intricate design and the bustling city that sprawls beneath. The Swiss Alps, a majestic mountain range crowned with snow-capped peaks, take on a breathtaking grandeur from above. We soar over glaciers that glisten like diamonds in the sunlight and past jagged peaks that pierce the clouds. The sheer scale and majesty of the Alps are awe-inspiring, a testament to the raw power of nature. Barcelona's coastline, a vibrant tapestry of golden sands, turquoise waters, and bustling promenades, unfolds like a work of art. We trace the city's grid-like streets, buzzing with life, and admire the architectural masterpieces of Antoni Gaudi, their whimsical designs even more striking from above. These iconic landmarks, familiar from countless postcards and travelogues, take on a new dimension when viewed from the sky. We see them not as isolated structures, but as integral parts of the urban and natural landscapes they inhabit. This fresh perspective deepens our appreciation for their beauty and significance. Europe's beauty lies not only in its iconic landmarks but also in the sheer diversity of its landscapes. Our journey takes us over rolling hills and verdant valleys, across glistening glaciers and rugged coastlines. Each region reveals its own unique character, a testament to the continent's rich geological and cultural tapestry. We soar over the Italian countryside, a patchwork quilt of vineyards, olive groves, and charming villages. The air is filled with the scent of cypress trees and the sound of church bells echoing through the valleys. The Tuscan hills, bathed in golden sunlight, evoke a sense of timeless beauty. The Scottish Highlands, a land of rugged mountains, deep lochs, and ancient castles, unfold beneath us. We are captivated by the raw beauty of this untamed landscape, where legends are born and the spirit of adventure lingers in the air. The Highlands are a place where time seems to stand still, a reminder of the power and majesty of nature. Iceland's fjords, carved by glaciers over millennia, are a breathtaking spectacle of towering cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and deep blue waters. We marvel at the raw power of nature that shaped this dramatic landscape, a testament to the Earth's constant evolution. Our journey is a constant feast for the eyes, a reminder of the incredible diversity and beauty of our planet. From the snow-capped peaks of the Alps to the sun-drenched beaches of the Mediterranean, Europe's landscapes never cease to amaze and inspire. Section 5. The thrill of flight, adrenaline and awe in the clouds. There's an undeniable thrill to flight, a sense of freedom and exhilaration that comes from soaring above the world. As we bank and turn, following the contours of the land below, we feel a rush of adrenaline, a surge of pure joy. The world shrinks below, and everyday worries fade away. We are suspended in a moment of pure awe and wonder. The wind whips through our hair as we climb higher, leaving the world behind. We feel a sense of weightlessness, of being suspended between earth and sky. The vastness of the world below is both humbling and exhilarating. It's a reminder of our place in the grand scheme of things, of the interconnectedness of all living things. There's a sense of accomplishment too, in mastering the art of flight. We become one with the aircraft, our movements in sync with its every turn and dip. We are pilots, navigators, adventurers, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The sky is our playground, and the only limit is our imagination. But the greatest thrill of all is the sheer beauty of it all. The world unfolds beneath us like a giant map, revealing its secrets and hidden wonders. We are privy to views that few ever get to experience, a privilege we don't take for granted. Section 6.4. K UHD, bringing the skies to life. Our aerial adventure is further enhanced by the magic of 4K ultra-high definition technology. Every detail, every nuance of the landscape below is captured in stunning clarity. Colors are more vibrant, textures more defined, and the sense of depth and scale is truly breathtaking. Imagine soaring over the snow-capped Alps, the sun glinting off the icy peaks. With 4K UHD, you'll feel like you can reach out and touch the snow, feel the chill of the mountain air. The jagged ridges, the deep crevasses, the sparkling glaciers, all come to life in stunning detail. Or picture yourself gliding over the turquoise waters of the Mediterranean, the sun warming your skin. 4K UHD captures the vibrant hues of the sea, the whitecaps of the waves, the golden sands of the beaches. You'll practically feel the spray of the sea on your face. This immersive technology transports you right into the heart of the action. You're not just watching a video, you're experiencing it. You're flying alongside us, sharing the thrill of discovery, the awe of the breathtaking views. Section 7. A shift in perspective. Appreciating our world from new heights. Our aerial journey is more than just a sightseeing tour. It's a transformative experience. Seeing the world from above changes our perspective, literally and figuratively. It makes us appreciate the vastness and diversity of our planet, the interconnectedness of all living things. We realize how small we are in the grand scheme of things, yet how connected we are to the natural world. The borders that divide us on the ground become invisible from above. We see the world as one, a shared home that we must cherish and protect. This shift in perspective stays with us long after we've landed back on solid ground. We carry with us a renewed sense of wonder, a deeper appreciation for the beauty and fragility of our planet. We are inspired to explore more, to learn more, to live more consciously. So the next time you get a chance, look up, let your gaze soar beyond the horizon, and imagine yourself soaring above the clouds. You might be surprised at what you discover about the world and about yourself. Section 8. Conclusion. The unforgettable embrace of Europe's aerial wonders. As we touch down, the memories of our aerial adventure linger like the afterglow of a setting sun. We've witnessed the heart of Europe from a vantage point few get to experience. From the Eiffel Tower's elegant silhouette against the Parisian sky to the rugged beauty of the Scottish Highlands, every sight has left an indelible mark on our souls. We've felt the thrill of flight, the freedom of soaring above the clouds, the awe of witnessing the world's beauty from a new perspective. The diverse landscapes, the hidden gems, the iconic landmarks, all have woven themselves into the tapestry of our memories. More importantly, we've gained a new appreciation for our planet, for its vastness, its diversity, and its fragility. We've seen firsthand the interconnectedness of all living things, the borders that disappear when viewed from above. This journey has been a reminder of the importance of exploration, of seeking new perspectives, of cherishing and protecting our shared home. So, let us carry this sense of wonder and appreciation with us as we return to our daily lives. Let us remember the world as seen from above, a world of breathtaking beauty, boundless possibilities, and interconnectedness. And let us be inspired to explore more, to dream bigger, and to live our lives with a renewed sense of purpose and passion.